Today, it's extremely exciting news that sprang from true collaboration. This is a very exciting day, and I'm very proud of this momentous day for our region. Together we succeed in winning the prestigious and difficult to obtain National Science Foundation grant. SCF will receive almost $200,000 for a 2-year pilot project to take the innovative Lab in the Box, a portable science classroom, into the schools on a rotating basis to train teachers to utilize it.
This is an opportunity for us to empower our biology teachers with the tools and the training they need to really meet that high level of demand.
We will bring teachers into SCF laboratories that are equipped with all the equipment identical as to what we will send out to the classrooms, and then go through with them not only how the experiment works, but exactly how the equipment works. Once the teachers have completed their training, they can then request specific times for the laboratory equipment to be transported to their classrooms.
For schools to have this type of accessibility, it's just, it's amazing.
We have 2 experiments that we have packaged right now. One is an experiment in which the students do a DNA fingerprinting from a crime scene. The other box includes a number of reagents and components that will allow the students to take a gene that normally exists in a jellyfish and artificially place it into a bacterium. That gene naturally causes the jellyfish to glow in the dark, and so the bacterium, it will be obvious when they are successful, will begin to glow in the dark.
When they showed up at my classroom, they came lugging in a bunch of boxes and took everything out. We got the lab was all set up. It was phenomenal. It's great. It's really, really cool because even though we may have a few of these things, we don't have 25 of these things. We may only have 2. So when you only have 2 of them, you've got 22 teenagers who are not doing anything. And so when every single one of them has it in their hand, they're completely, fully engaged.
The eyes opened up real wide. They have never seen this before unless they watch CSI on television.
To me, the very cool thing about these labs is that they make science very accessible to students. Not only is it cool, not only is it relevant to their lives, but it's also very accessible. Even if a student is a language minority student or maybe doesn't have strong reading or math skills, they can do DNA fingerprinting, they can run an electrophoretic gel, they can do a genetic transformation.
Because this is cutting-edge technology, cutting-edge science, it fits well into the areas of science and math emphasis that both the school districts and the college want to put in for our community.
If we can have programs like this that's going to produce the workforce that our companies need, more people are going to bring their companies to Manatee and Sarasota County, and that's going to help everybody.
Well, the whole region has rallied behind getting Jackson Labs here. We realize that we need to diversify our economy, that our children need these kind of jobs in the future. They're high-paying jobs. It'll help us even out the Great Recession that we just experienced. Jackson Labs is a world leader in genetic research, and they're very excited to see that this community is looking to the future to create those jobs and also to build the infrastructure, the education infrastructure. And this lab grant will be perfect, a keystone, a cornerstone for this effort.
They looked at our grant application and said, this region can do it because of the collaboration and the effectiveness of the partnerships between the State College of Florida and the school districts.
Now the hard part is hitting one of those little wells in the gel.
And then I shoot it in when I...
Just by pressing your thumb down and then lift your arm before, there you go, lift up. There you go, you got it.
Hey.
Hey. There you go, you're in. Okay, you got it.
Thank you. Yay.
It's a huge honor for our college to have received this, so I just can't express my thrill and gratefulness.
Certainly we would not be able to provide those additional tools and training to our classroom teachers given the situation that we face within our budget. And so this partnership allows us to provide that additional, those strategies that really will make a difference for our students. So at the end of the day, that's what we're really here for.
They will be ready to step into any majors level biology class at any college or university.
It's really a good thing.
This is pretty unique. This is pretty awesome.